Naga People's Front MLAs resign from Manipur State Assembly. Speaker accepts resignation. Governor Najma Heptulla says justice at your footstep is priority for both the centre and state governments. Women voters outnumbered men in Manipur in the special summary revision of the Electoral Rules 2017. BJP Manipur attacks Gaikhangam for a statement on Centre NSC-NIM agreement. And Kuki Students Organisation alleges that Manipur government has failed to honour the reservation policy. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laithangma Monica bringing you the top stories. Days after Congress MLA Y. Irabot resigned from the Manipur State Assembly, 4 MLAs of Naga People's Front NPF resigned from the Assembly. The NPF MLAs who resigned yesterday are 47 Karong ST Assembly Constituency MLA Dr. V. Alexander Pao, 48 Mao ST Assembly Constituency MLA Dikho, 41 Sandal ST Assembly Constituency MLA Nunglung Victor and 44 Ukhrul ST Assembly Constituency MLA Samuel Risom. The Speaker of the Legislative Assembly accepted the resignation of the 5 MLAs for their membership yesterday. The 5 constituencies now remain vacant after their resignation. The 65th Foundation Day of All Manipur Bar Association was celebrated today at Uripok Serap Court with Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla as the chief guest. Set up in 1951, the association has 2,000 members, including 300 women advocates. 2-minute silence and floral tributes were paid to the departed members of the association. Senior members of AMBA were felicitated at the event. Law and Legislative Affairs Minister I. Hemochandra, members of AMBA and Bar Council attended the celebration. Speaking on the occasion, Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla said justice at your doorstep is a priority area for both central and state governments. She said members of the bar have to remain ever vigilant to prevent any miscarriage of justice. Dr. Heptulla also urged them to give due importance to free legal service to the people and deliver justice in a truthful and efficient manner.
Legal fees are increasing day by day, and a large number of poor people cannot afford to pay for the legal service. We need to strengthen our free legal service system, and the lawyer should come forward with a certain amount of dedication and strength. That has disturbed me, such is the large number of pending cases waiting disposal. We should make a concerted effort to improve the situation. As the dictum says, justice delayed is justice denied. Delivering justice timely should be given the importance which is owed.
In his speech, Law and Legislative Affairs Minister I. Hemochandra said members of legal fraternity need to unite together to remove the bottlenecks faced in justice delivery system.
Chief Justice ka yaudana, adigi bar ki su yaudana, akoi su yaudana, adi Honorable Governor mayam yaud ko the tolgadi. Sugumagi function as automatic. Here na I must personal thoughts niko. I don't know how far it is practical, how far it is not practical, but it is a very simple, feeling which I have always nurtured ever since I took over this new ministry, that it will also, usher in a period where we can, nasai bottlenecks mein hum nahi likhdo. Advocate Welfare Fund hires. It's a central act. Central act ki koi pass to gre, but koi state ki act ne di pass to udri. Madu central act to chanda hota apni, but concurrently koi pass to gaya.
Bharatiya Janata Party National President Amit Shah left Imphal early this morning around 9:30. The BJP leader, who was on a two-day visit on the state, visited Sri Sri Govindaji Temple and prayed at the temple before leaving for New Delhi. Amit Shah was accompanied by BJP National General Secretary Ram Madhav, BJP Manipur Pradesh Prabhari Prahlad Patel, BJP Election in Charge Manipur 2017 and Union HRD Minister Prakash Javadekar, and Notice Democratic Alliance convener Himanta Vishwas Sarma, BJP Manipur Pradesh President Bhavananda, BJP MLAs KH Joykishan, TH Biswajit, and 2017 General Election convener TH Chauba, along with other party workers. Women outnumbered men in the special summary revision of the Electoral Rules 2017. The draft electoral rules were released by Chief Electoral Officer Manipur on the 7th of this month. According to the special summary revision report, there are 18,187,843 electorate in the state. The number of the male electorate is 8,87,963, while the number of women electorate is 9,19,880. Chief Electoral Officer Vivek Kumar Devagan today told the media at Old Secretariat that the summary still has error. More than 1,40,000 women who are above 30 years and married are listed in two separate places, and 8,741 persons are listed in two different districts. The number of voters between 18 and 19 years is 72,048 against the expected 11,807. He appealed to the voters whose names are not listed in the roll to enroll themselves.
Similarly, we are also making appeal to all the civil society organization, NGOs, youth organization, whoever can contribute constructively in making this electoral roll error-free. Our special focus is on the new electors who are in the age group of 18 to 19. We have appointed campus ambassador in the colleges who will be taking care that new voters who are going to be more than 18 years of age as on 1st January, their name may be added by submission of Form 6.
BJP Manipur criticized the statement of Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam, who compared the Centre NSC and IM agreement with a time bomb. Speaking to media persons, BJP Manipur Pradesh spokesperson O Joy said a time bomb to divide the state had already set when the Congress signed a political resolution on Naga integration on August 4, 1972. The Deputy Chief Minister stated that there is no need for panic on the territorial integrity of the state after BJP National President Amit Shah yesterday said BJP will protect the territorial integrity of the state. Ojoy also alleged that RIMS is not functioning as an institute even after 45 years of its establishment and appealed the governor of the state to monitor central funding pattern. Election Management Committee convener T.H. Chauba said the Chief Minister should be knowing what is there in the Naga Peace Accord framework. He also said Congress should not blame the centre for not being able to table a bill on ILP accepted by both the Hills and Valley.
Manipur ki ngangkai ki wathok hairagadi wathok asidi Congress na semak pa wathok amani hari wathok se masi ningthi jana matik mayai hapkhribadi lising majamapan humbudra nithoi da August ki tang mari da matamadugi United Naga Integration Council amasung matamadugi Bharat Brasa ki Congress ki awanungpo Bharot ki luching ba silva da yaji ga soi tawna ki ba Bharot ki samvidhan amasung party ki chana role na Naga punjab encourage tawbado maduna Naga ki iho wasida achauba inot ama amasung marinjan haptana tawkiba poni ga khangam sayab tum akogi phawham mayam paithorok da yaudana ba section biu aina haijanningi.
A married man has been accused of raping an 18-year-old disabled girl at Hyanglam Terapisak under Kakching police station. The alleged rapist has been identified as Huidrom Zilla, 55, son of late Huidrom Sazo. He surrendered himself to Kakching police station. Speaking to media person Stikane, a representative of the JAC formed against the incident, said the accused person repeatedly raped the girl 6 months back. He said in the last few days, the physical appearance of the girl changed and she was taken to a hospital and found that she was 6 months pregnant. He said the accused has been ostracized from the locality and urged the civil society organizations of the state to help the victim get justice.
जेंदगी मा कई थादोक तारगजु मादि लेखाय दम पन सुपगी संग यारोय ना कोई लेखाय ना माजे ताथोय अदुगा हयेंग पोलकदोरिबा अंगांग जिगी मागी तौहम थोकबा माई मपुनसिगी हिंजनबगी लंबिदु माना मागी साइटगी पिगदबनी कईगुंबा मसिदा माना ngमोयना सेन तारगदि मदु लेखाय ना सबसाना थेंगनगनी मसिदाजु अते अते लेइबा क्लब संस्थान ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मयाम लेइसि मणिपुर के सो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मयाम जिगी मतेंग लौरगा कोई सबसाना थेंगनजगनी हाय वाफम दुबेना थमजनी.
Kurai MLA Dr. N.G. Bijoy today has observed that the state government has not taken the initiative to preserve the art form of Wari Liba. He was speaking at the inauguration of the 3rd Guru Ngasepam Tombi Memorial Wari Liba Festival. The festival is organized by Repertory of Wari Liba Manipur at Imalai Kulembi Mandap, Kurai Sazur Lekai. Artists from different parts of the state will perform Wari Liba at the festival. Different awards were also presented at the opening of the festival. Khomjam Nilo Singh Memorial Wari Liba Award 2016 has been given to Khairakpam Sanajauba. Kakching Tabam Brazamani Sharma Young Talent Wari Liba Award 2016 to Senjam Nanau Fulo and Soibam Premananda. Several award-winning artists were also felicitated at the event. Repertory of Wari Liba Manipur presented lifetime pension to 13 artists above 70 years of age.
Sigumba narrative art forms hai karmai ton hingangadege aibase sarkar da nainaba changi ena ifaujai adu ngasi bawba yam kana nainabagi khudam ude aduga thangalakbagi khudam zu ude ai thangalaningi Sideda Guru Sisagi Mong the Ngasi Baba Tambagi Wena Lady Sidagi Hengalaga Institute Amona Lingnabagi Institute Amada Tamnanabagi Madugi was a formal teacher Haina Tauraga Maduda Masigi art forms I did develop Tohoningi.
One-day state-level conference on challenge and issues of higher education on the 7th UGC ROP 2016 was held at the Central Hall of DM College of Science. The conference was jointly hosted by Federation of Government College Teachers Association FEGOCTA, DM College of Science, DM College of Arts and Imphal College. An academy session on evaluation of the 6th UGC ROP in the light of the 7th UGC ROP was held in the morning. Another session on bringing quality in research and teaching and the 7th UGC ROP in the afternoon. Former FEGOCTA President and Principal of Imphal College, L. Randhoni, told media that college teachers have not been given 6th pay when the 7th pay is implemented in the country.
7 pay si central government gid implement tawgre mayam loi khangnare manipur da di amuk ka hena thengna college ojajing gi implement tawrakane masida nungnang ba pochak amana college ojasing ase human resource development gi de highest ranking da leibani ojana chemaka doini samase do ojajing gi khanna bi badana thinna thengna khanna ba do 6 pay je koi mapung phana phangdriye ba ko ana adugi khudong thibasi ubasida FEGOCTA na mathang dadi sigumba khudong chadaba si thengna danaba ana prior oina khanaba ne aina thamjai.
People of Haraurok in Imphal is organized a public meeting today in view of the upcoming 2017 Assembly election. The meeting resolved to support BJP member Thangjam Mohindro from Khundrakpam as a BJP candidate from Khundrakpam Assembly constituency. BJP ticket aspirant Thangjam Mohindro said Congress government in the last 15 years has not taken any developmental work for the constituency. He accused the Congress government of misusing central funds. Mohindro also said he wants to contest and win the election on BJP ticket to work for the welfare of the people. The 90th birth anniversary of Comrade Biplabi Thokchom Bira, former leader of Communist Party of India Manipur State Council, was observed today at Irravat Bhavan on BT Road, organized by Irravat Celebration Committee. Family of Biplabi Veera Singh, CPI Manipur State leaders and comrades attended the function. The attendees remembered Comrade Biplabi Veera Singh as a leader who led the people's movement demanding Manipur's statehood. He was a leader who worked for the upliftment of the state and the people. Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Lengsin Birau, Thangmaiban DM College Road to Laiba, Eastern Suzuki da. Fangbiragani Suzuki ki gari macha sing makhal suna. Mafam sida Suzuki da train tarba mechanic singna, ningthina service piriba, servicing center ki kudong chaba, amasung spare parts sing MRP rate ta fangbigani. Loinana, Irai Laina loan lowa yabagi kudong chaba supizari. Ngasi maglengsin Birau, Eastern Suzuki, Thangmaiban DM College Road, Imphal, Manipur.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Kuki Students Organization has alleged that Manipur government has failed to follow the Manipur Reservation of Vacancies in Post and Services for SC and ST Rules 2011. Kuki Students Organization General Headquarters said there is inadequate representation of tribals in every department of the government. President of Kuki Students Organization General Headquarters Pautin Lupeng today told the media in a press meet held at Kuki Inn that the KSO will launch intense agitation if the government does not honor the reservation policy and make up the shortfall of seats for STs in the appointment of assistant professors through the MPSC. He said the number of ST teachers is only 139 out of 955 assistant associate professors in government colleges, thereby resulting in a shortfall of 157 ST seats. He urged the government to declare the pending results of the interview of assistant professors to make the shortfall in ST seats in government colleges and higher secondary schools.
In the higher secondary schools too, out of the 220 lecturers, there are only 29 STs, which is just 13% against the 31% seats we are entitled to. In the recent regulation of higher secondary lecturers, the number of STs is a measly 114, which is just 16%, resulting in a shortfall of 105 STs. Shortfall in the STs should be filled up as soon as possible.
The 49th Engineers Day was celebrated on the theme Skill Development for Young Engineers to Reform the Core Sector Vision 2025 at Government Polytechnic Auditorium Hall, Takhilpant. Institute of Engineers India Manipur State Centre IEIMSE organized the event as a tribute to the works done by Mosagudam Vivesh Varia in the field of engineering on his 156th birth anniversary. Speaking at the function, IEIMSE immediate past Secretary Chirom Dhanari Kumar said engineers have a great role in the development of a nation, and IEIMSE has been celebrating the day every year on different themes. PWD Manipur retired Chief Engineer T.H. Joy Kumar, IEIMSE inaugural Chairman K.H. Angau and former Controller of Technical Education Manipur K.H. Raj Chandra among others attended the event. Residents of Lamphel Sanakaitel today held a sit-in against the deaths of Laishram Samananda. Laishram Samananda was found dead under suspicious circumstances on the 11th of this month. The protest organized by Sanakaitel Maira Paibi demanded punishment of those involved in the death of Samananda. It may be mentioned that Samananda left home in the afternoon of September 11 to attend a dinner at the farm of Lakendro Saugragpam near KT Football Ground, Patsoi, and his dead body was found there. Legal awareness program was held at Charangpat, Kakching Wairi Lamzao, Kakching Kuno and Wangu in Thoubal district. The program was organized by All Manipur Nupi Marub Thoubal District Council and sponsored by District Legal Services Authority, Thoubal. Segma Area Committee of All Manipur Nupi Marub observed the 128th birth anniversary of Jananita Hizam Irawat at Loitang Kuno Community Home. The dead body of a young man was discovered this afternoon at Khoyathong Pukri, Achoba. The deceased was identified as Mutum Yaifaba, 22 years, son of M. Kohe of Singjamai Jingamakha, Chongtham Lekai, under Imphal Police Station. The family of the deceased said he went missing after he went out with two friends in the evening of September 30. It was not immediately known how he died in the pond, but police has fished out the body from the water. United Committee Manipur UCM will perform Langban offerings at the Memorial of June 18 Martyrs at Kekrupant for 15 days. The offerings will be held from September 17 at 10 a.m. UCM has appealed to all to join the ritual. A mobile servicing center, Mobiles Techno Zone, was inaugurated at Pauna Bazaar Diamond Gully today. The mobile service center is financed by Bank of India. Branch manager Bank of India Pauna Bazaar Mohammad Alam Ahmad, branch marketing officer Haubam Rajesh, Bank of India Sainik School Pangai branch manager and Chinkai Nganba among others attended the event. Mobile Techno Zone proprietor Nunglepam Bankim Chandra said the service center will try to provide immediate servicing to the customers. He said the service center has 8 staff members and another 15 employees who will be appointed soon to provide better service to the customers.
Hoji phone ji yamna darkar leiba aduga karigumba problem ama lakpa matam dadi ekoi da Manipur parja singna yamna awawa thengnaba thama natraga thakai magi matam lobo mayam jingje aina nungai jadadana yamna thuna hen to hen hoji adum yadaba je aina ju poropaga adum khudak adum delivery to bone na pamjan tawjaningi je aduga hoji ai ngasi taik 3 dagina laiba tarik 30 phawo je free service ngai wajagani media person jingi ju ekoi mobile semba matam da 40% discount ai na bijagani.
And news from the world of sports. United Sports Association Kurai and Southern Sports Club Singjamai defeated their rivals in the 11th Manipur State League. In the 17th league match of the tournament, United Sports Association Kurai defeated Kainau Library and Sports Association 1-0. In the 18th league match, Southern Sports Club Singjamai defeated Tidim Road Unique Gami Players Union Trukpu Nambo 2-0 at Imphal Polo Ground. Anoba Imagi Mangal Khabam Lamkhai and Nambul Mapal Cultural Organization will meet in the 19th league, while Neroka FC Samgapam and Sagolban United will meet in the 20th league tomorrow. Management, coaches, teaching and non-teaching staff of National Sports Academy congratulated Master Nomekapam Samorjit on winning bronze medal in the 10th Asian Cadet and Junior Judo Championship held from September 17 to 11 in Kerala. He represented India in 50 kg category. In a match of the 57th Subroto Mukherjee International Under-14 Boys Football Tournament played at Dr. Ambedkar Football Stadium, New Delhi today, Pinjabati High School Bishnupur, Manipur defeated Reliance FC 3-1. Fifananda netted 2 goals while N. Bison netted 1 goal for the winners. It may be mentioned that Pinjabati High School Bishnupur, Manipur defeated Asa 2-0 in the first match yesterday. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. 4 Naga People's Front MLAs resigned from Manipur State Assembly. Speaker accepts resignation. Governor Najma Heptulla says justice at your footstep has priority for both the centre and state governments. Women voters outnumbered men in Manipur in the special summary revision of the Electoral Rules 2017. BJP Manipur attacks Gaikhangam for his statement on Centre NSC and IM agreement. And Kuki Students Organization alleges that Manipur government has failed to honor the reservation policy.